Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the Ipsy July bag. This is just the standard bag. It's the $10 subscription. It's not the upgrade. So we have so many of them. I'm just going to kind of put them on screen, and then at the end I'll show you I think there's 3 new spoilers. Those are the ones that we already know about. Now first, so while I'm putting all these spoilers up here, I'll tell you about Ipsy. If you haven't heard of Ipsy, it is a $10 subscription where you will get 5 deluxe sample-sized items every month and a really cute bag. And if you want to upgrade once you are with Ipsy, you can. That's the Ipsy GlamBag Plus bag. That is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, and it's going to be worth over $120, which is a really good deal. And I will leave them linked below if you do want to go check them out. And if you want to see the Ipsy Plus spoilers, I will leave those linked below as well. Alright guys, so those were all the spoilers that we already know about. There is actually 5 new spoilers, so I'll go ahead and show you those now. The first thing is the BRTC Sleeping Pack Duo Set. And then next we have the South Seas Skincare Mother of Pearl Body Lotion. And then next we have the 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. And then last but certainly not least is the Color Club Nail Polish in the shade Mrs. Robinson. So guys, that is all the spoilers I have for you today. If they reveal any more, I will be sure to update you guys as always. And again, Ipsy is linked below if you do want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any of these spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That kind of shows me which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.